it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Sips By. If you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly tea subscription box. I've been unboxing this on my channel for a hot minute. This is perfect for people out there that like to try new flavors and kind of do some discovery, finding some lesser known brands along the way. Every package includes 4 teas, some of which are loose leaf. All selected for you by Sips By based on a very individualized survey that you fill out when you first sign up. And from there, you kind of try all the teas, and then you can go on Sips By's website and further refine your profile by telling them what you liked, what you didn't like, all that good stuff. Boxes are $15, and then they do have on their website, when you subscribe, more coupon codes for, like, if you want to go to the retailer website and buy more. So I think that's really cool. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Sips By with my affiliate link in case you're interested in checking that out. Otherwise, we're just going to go ahead and get right in. All right, so right on top, we have our card. It says July teas. July, and then on the back, it lists each of the teas. We'll go over that at the end because it does tell you like the caffeine levels and all that stuff. All right. Sorry, my hand is itchy. All right. You look in there, you see your teas. Every box comes with a bunch of disposable tea bags. Here they are. Those are great in case you do have loose leaf tea. I like having them. I like this guy too. I use that for chicken soup. I also use it for big batches of tea, and they're washable. So that's pretty cool, dudes. All right, our first tea is from Salada Soothing Teas. This is Soothing Mint Melange Herbal Tea. This is caffeine free. There are 4 bags, so there's that. Next is from Republic of Tea, who has those really cool little round tea bags. This is their Cranberry Blood Orange. So this is black tea, so it's going to have a high caffeine level. The darker the tea, the higher the caffeine, just as a kind of general rule of thumb. This includes black tea, natural cranberry flavor, orange peels, natural blood orange flavor, and cranberry bits. 4 of these in my beautiful, I mean, I say that's orange. They probably call it red, but. All right. Second to last is from David's Tea, who David's Tea has really good cold brew tea. Just saying. All right, this is their Blackberry Jasmine Blast. All right, if you've been watching my channel any length of time, you know I love florals. Rose, gardenia, jasmine, all of it. It's just my jam. And when I see jasmine in tea, I love it. All right, so this is Floral Blackberry Burst. This is loose leaf. It is low caffeine because it is jasmine, which is a white tea, I believe. Oh, actually, no, I lie. It's green tea. It includes apple, green tea scented with jasmine flowers, hibiscus, so it's going to have a beautiful red color, rosehip shells, natural red fruit jelly flavoring, blackberries, natural red fruit with blackberry, and flavoring with stevia extract. So there is that. All right, we're going to move on to our final tea, guys. Is from Dream Go to Sleep. This is their deep sleep tea. I do believe I've had this before. This is actually a really big sample bag, like for this size is for this, like this kind of box, there's a lot in here. This is the deep sleep tea with chamomile, valerian root, and lemon balm, all of which have a calming property. I'm excited to try this because I like having this stuff at night, especially now that I don't drink anymore. I like to have something to sip on at night. So it does give you how much of each of these is in here. So there's 220 megagrams of valerian, there's 220 megagrams of lemon balm, and then there's a proprietary blend of chamomile, holy basil or tulsi, rose petals, and lemongrass. So this is actually, I'm excited. This is the one I'm most excited for. All right, so when we look at our card, sorry, I have doing a bunch of it. Another card over there. All right, we have the Dream by Snarky Tea, which is caffeine free. My teas tend to run the gamut because I like caffeinated and I like herbal. The Mint Melange is also caffeine free. The Cranberry Blood Orange black tea is high caffeine, and then the Blackberry Jasmine Blast is low caffeine. So this really does run the gamut for me, and it included ones with florals, which is, as I said before, my favorite. Like I said, I will link down below to Sips By. I'll also link to my full review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.